This week, we are featuring a pair of 2019 Peterbilt 348 Slingers. Get to work with these twin units. The 348s feature PX9 engines with 370 horsepower and Allison 3500 RDS transmissions. The trucks each have 200,000 plus miles on their odometers. The triaxle trucks come equipped with 16-foot CAS conveyor systems. The Slingers have a 66,000-pound GVW capacity with a 3.25 rear axle ratio. Both trucks come equipped with full lockers to maximize traction. You can learn more about stock numbers 983816 and 983817 by contacting your local Stoops dealership team.